Let's go with ZRX, guys. Let's go with ZRX. Let me go back and check one more time, just to be sure before I go all into it. Are we still good? 75. Yes. Pumping. Everything is good. Everything is good, guys. Let's go with it. Let's go with it, guys. Let's go. Let's pick another 50, guys. Yeah, 49.51. Why are you not going up? Oh, that's not much. That is not much, guys. Let's see. Well, we try to pick 50, but this is what it's giving us. This is what it's giving us. Let's go with it. Did we buy it? I think we did, guys. So what we bought, right, was we bought 49.35. Yeah. So this is the things when you're picking all this kind of trades, they may not completely pick up everything, but the whole idea is that whatever you pick up, you go ahead and pick it up. So we're going to do this also in convert. All of them are going to be convert limits, right? And then we'll see how these ones play out, right? Let's see how they play out. All right. So let's go ahead and just put all of these things there. ZRX, we've taken ZRX before, and it performed, so that's why I have a confidence level of like about 70% for ZRX. So let's go ahead and put in the max. Currently, see where we are. We're currently in profit though. We're currently in profit, but we want to put this at maybe 4. Let's see how much we will get. 50.34. What we had was 49.35. Okay, so if I put $1 on top of that, 49.35 should be 50.35, just about $1. I think we're good. If I put 1.41 there, what would that happen? That's giving us a bit more than we need. Let's just leave it at 1.4. I think I'm cool with that because it's just about, also maybe 101 the 5. Okay, I think it's okay this way. That 1.4 is all right. Let's go with it because it was 49.2. Am I right? Let me go back and check. I'm not sure entirely, but I want to be very sure so that I don't make the mistake. Right, let's go ahead and check. We bought it at 49.35. Yes, 49.35. 49.35. 49.35. Look at that. 49.35. So because of that, I think it's going up. It's actually going up. Looks like it's going up. Are we in going up mode? So let's get back into convert. So what we just want is just to give us like about $1 over that. That's slightly more than 2%, but that's fine. Yeah, because really, if we take, that's just about $1. Okay, but we can actually just say, oh, we want to make this slightly more than that, maybe $1.10 because of the trading fees. Well, no problem, we can actually do that, but let's just go ahead and see what we can get. Maybe we'll just do 1.41. 1.41 should just be fine. So let's put USDT. Let's see how, and the truth of the matter is that we can always change this. Okay, we can always come back and change this. We don't have to leave it at that. Let me put 4.1 and let's see, or maybe 4.1. Sorry, 4.1 will be what? Like, that's a lot. That's $1.35 on top of the entire amount. So maybe if I leave this one at, let me just leave it at this. Let me leave it at this. I think I should just be fine. It will give us to mode because you don't want to be so out of it. If you pick up anything that is so way off, you will be feeling like, oh, will this quickly execute? We have ZRX giving us 50.35, something in that range. Let's go and see what is going on. We should be going up. It should be going up. So let's take a screenshot as always. Let's take the screenshot. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, so let's go ahead and see, because when BTC just pumped, a lot of things started getting a headway, and that's the thing that we need to see, guys. You see, once BTC starts going up, things start working. ZRX, are you going up or going down? Let's check you. It looks like it's still trying to struggle. It's not yet sure, but up you shall go. Come on, push it up. Welcome, people. Thanks for joining, guys. Nice to have you here. ZRK executed, guys. Yes, look at it. ZRK gave us 50.34. I think we bought that amount. Let's go check how much we bought it. So 50.34, we have that here. You can see ZRK has given us some good money here. So let's go ahead and, what am I doing? You know, when you're excited about your trades executing, you just want to keep on going, guys. Let's go ahead and do this, right? So let's see how much we bought for ZRX. We bought 49.35. Yes, we bought 49.35. Remember, 49.35, $49.35. And how much did we make? How much did we make? We made how much, guys? We made 49.35. Remember, and don't forget that. We made 50.34. Okay, 50.34, just slightly less than $1. Okay, then we'll go and check that. 50.34. Let's check that. 50.34. 50.34, right? Minus what? 49.35. No, 0.35. So we made 99 cents. Okay, 99 cents is what we made on this particular trade. I could have actually done a little bit more, but I was just being wary, guys. So 99 cents. Okay, that's 99 cents. So we're gonna actually just check this out. So that's 49.35 times, how much would that be? That's a 2%. That's okay, maybe like 2.1%. 2.1, no, 2 point, it's just like about 2%, really. It's just let's see, 2.01. Yeah, 2.01%, just like 2%, exactly. Let's say 2%. So we actually did this exactly. We nailed it exactly on 2%, guys. We nailed it exactly on 2%. 2.01%, yeah, exactly. But let's say 2%. Okay,